Hello, this is Hadi Mansouri of Mansouri Immigration Firm in Vancouver BC. I'd like to inform you that there was a significant development in refugee processes in Canada, which is the Safe Third Country Agreement between Canada and the US has been struck by the federal court. Meaning that the federal court has recognized that this agreement between the US and Canada is unconstitutional and it violates people's charter rights of life, liberty, and security. Under this agreement, Canada and the US recognize each other as safe places for refugees, basically as safe countries. And people who had come to Canada through the United States were not able to make a refugee claim in Canada on the basis that they should have claimed for refugee status in the United States, which is also equally safe or also a safe country like Canada is. Unfortunately, since 2004 until recently, a lot of people had come from the a lot of people who had not succeeded with the refugee application, asylum application, or didn't have enough hopes for getting approved through their asylum application in the United States would try to come to Canada, and they would be turned around either on the border or inside Canada after due process on the basis that they should have applied inside the United States. The vice versa, the same scenario goes with the United States according to this agreement. People who come to Canada first and then go to the United States and seek refuge are to be refused and turned around. There were, however, a few exemptions for this category. For instance, if one has close family members residing in Canada with legal status, they could have invoked these exemptions. But unfortunately, for many who had been refused in Canada during these past years, this wasn't the case. A couple of days ago, a federal judge turned down this law, this agreement, and claimed it unconstitutional. We have a Charter of Rights and Freedoms as part of our Constitution in Canada that secures and reserves the rights of individuals, not only Canadian citizens or residents. Anyone who is on the Canadian soil is protected by the Charter. Their rights, their right not to be unreasonably searched, not to be unreasonably detained, people's right to freedom of speech, right to choosing their own residence, people's right to life, liberty, and security are guaranteed under the Charter. And this, with the situation that is being going on in the United States, it is not guaranteed that if a refugee is turned around and sent back to the US, their life, liberty, and security can be guaranteed as well as they could have been guaranteed inside Canada. We have to now wait for the government to see if they would appeal this decision, or otherwise they would amend this agreement. I hope this information helps. If you know people, or if you are a person that is in the United States seeking refugee status, you have difficulties, you might want to consider Canada as a better place to make your application moving forward. As always, if you have any questions, any guidance is needed, we're happy to help. You can call us. Thank you and have a great day.